So now just take out your English Understand and Communicate books. On page number 143, we are moving towards the back exercise of this chapter. So the very first exercise is here. Fill in the blank in each sentence with the simple present tense of the verb given in brackets. Be sure to use the correct singular or plural forms. Now you have to solve all these exercises on your books. So just take out your books and take out your pencils in your hand. So fish dash in water, and in the bracket you are provided with a verb. So we have to use correct form of the verb in a sentence. So you will write fish lives in water, because fish is a singular. The plural is fishes, but we have a singular subject fish, so that's why we will use live first form with s, lives in water. The students dash read a book every week. Now students is a plural subject because there are so many students, so we have to use only verb first form. So it will be the students read a book every week. The library dash be air conditioned. The library is air conditioned. She usually dash take a bus to work. She usually takes, because she is a singular subject. Scouts dash learn to live an active and useful life. Scouts learned. Scouts, as the name is indicating, is a plural subject. Several schools dash intend to take part in the annual swimming carnival. Several schools intend. There are more than one school, so this is your plural subject, and that's why we have used verb first form intend over here. Miss Thompson dash conduct the school band. Now Miss Thompson is a singular subject. She is only one person, so that's why we have to use verb first form with the s or es. So Miss Thompson conducts the school band. The teachers dash encourage the students to study hard. There is more than one teacher in the subject, so it is a plural subject. The teachers encourage the students to study hard. The next statement is a postman dash letters. A postman is a singular subject, so that's why we are going to write over here a postman delivers letters. This club has many members. This club has, because this is a singular subject. So you have to solve this exercise number 1 on your books, as I have done over here in front of you. So after this we are going towards the second exercise, which is fill in the blank in each sentence with the simple past tense of the verb given in brackets. This was for the simple present tense and this is for the simple past tense. Now what we have to do, we have to convert every verb in the brackets given into the second form. This is the requirement of simple past tense. So here we have to write down, we visited Japan last year. He was a good student in school. The minister spoke at the meeting. The family moved to a new flat last month. The tourists arrived by air. After that you have he painted the picture. We took many photographs of the city. Everyone heard the good news. Mary felt very tired after the long walk. She brought her pet to school. So do solve this exercise on your books too. Exercise number 1 and then exercise number 2 on your books on page number 144. After this we have the last exercise, in which we have to fill each sentence with the correct form of the verb given in brackets. Use either the simple present tense or the simple past tense, whichever is correct. Now the audience dash applaud when he finished his song. Now the second part of this sentence has verb in the second form. It means it is a simple past tense. So we have to write down here verb second form, the audience applauded. Traffic dash moves slowly at peak hours. There is no second form of verb already given in the sentence, so it means it is a simple present tense. So we have to write down here traffic moves. The students visit This is a simple past tense. He dash traveled by bus before he bought his car. Now here in this statement we have verb second form, then it would be simple past tense. So he traveled. Plants dash grow well in fertile soil. Plants grow because plural subject is here, plants. They dashed by a new house last year. Last year means this is the thing which is being done in the last time, in the past time. So this is a past tense and we have to write they brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. After this the few statements are over here. So here we have he dash be formerly a clerk in this firm. He was. Good food is important for health. He dash catch many fish during his last vacation. Last vacation means it is the work which is being done in the last time or in the past time. So this is the past tense. We have to write the full second form of catch, which is caught. He caught. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Then careless people dash bring troubles upon themselves. This is simple past tense in which we have to write careless people bring. So this is about this chapter, which is grammar chapter number 7. On your books, page number 143, the simple present and simple past tenses. So do solve exercise number 1, 2 and 3 as well on your books as your classwork. And your homework is to write down an essay on a topic. Your essay's topic as your homework is let's kill pollution. So in this essay you firstly have to tell what is a pollution. So to make our environment dirty and untidy, that thing is known as a pollution. There are many types of pollution like air pollution, land pollution, water pollution. Air pollution, we have land pollution, and we also have a water pollution. So you have to introduce these 3 types of pollution in your essay, and then you have to give the methods to eliminate or to eradicate these pollutions from your environment or from your community. So this essay, let's kill pollution, is your homework. You have to do this essay by yourself in your English grammar notebooks as your homework. So this is all about today. Thank you very much.